What is sign language? Sign language is a means of communication through bodily movements, especially of the hands and arms. It is used when spoken communication is impossible or not desirable. Sign languages are languages that use the visual manual modality to convey meaning. Sign languages are expressed through manual articulation in combination with non-manual markers. Sign languages are full-fledged natural languages with their own grammar and lexicon. Wherever communities of deaf people exist, sign languages have developed as useful means of communication and form the core of local deaf cultures. Although signing is used primarily by the deaf and hard of hearing, it is also used by hearing individuals, such as those unable to physically speak, those who have trouble with oral language due to a disability or condition, and those with deaf family members, including children of deaf adults. The number of sign languages worldwide is not precisely known. Each country generally has its own native sign language. However, in this channel, we shall be dealing with American Sign Language and Signed English. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated each time there is a new video.